What it do, baby? We are back with another motherfucking hair video. This is just everything that I bought in order to achieve my look, which is these Senegalese passion twists, I guess you would call them. So yeah, let's get the fuck into it. This is everything I bought, and this is what it came up to, the 65.56. Damn, I should have played that. And this right here is the holy motherfucking grail. This is how my twist lasts for 2 months with no retouches, no nothing. Secret formula right here. I usually use the pre-stretched Expressions hair, but they didn't have it in the length I wanted, so this is my second best bet. But I just like it because it still has a kinky texture, but it is still silky and soft. And the human hair, of course, because I ain't got time for that synthetic shit. It's gonna be working for me. It might work for you, but it don't work for me. So this is how I lay out my hair. I always put a towel underneath, so when I'm moving the hair, it doesn't slide the fuck off like it be liking to do. And this is what I use to you'll see, but this is what I part my hair with, and this is what I put down my hair. That other mixture is for the braiding hair, and that's what keeps the braiding hair from unraveling on a nigga. Okay, and only $9.99. Get you some. And might I say, I have used that jar on 3 heads already, and I still got all that left over. So this is just how I put my product, brown one for my hair, and then these 2 are for the braiding hair. It's just to help me keep this shit from up under my nails, because my nails are always long as the fuck. And with the human hair, make sure you put a little bit of product on top so they can be separated, and you know what I'm saying. So this is me on the last twist, and that is the aftermath. I only had to reload that cap one good time, okay? So what we're gonna do, I'm taking the brown product, the Beltique, whatever. Put that throughout the length of my hair, and then I take my latch hook. Y'all know what the fuck to do. Okay, so to make mine longer, because I did want them longer than what they actually were, I make one half long as fuck, and then I make the other half not so long as fuck. And you'll see me zoom in here in a second, so you can see how I twist. I twist the hair while I'm twisting down, and I also twist it in the opposite direction, not the direction that feels good. I twist it, counterclockwise. Yeah, I twist it counterclockwise instead of clockwise, and that's another way. You see, do that, because that's why my twist be lasting. Along with those products, me twisting it in a counterclockwise way is also, you know what I'm saying, get it together. Took me a while, but you could do it too. Put some more product on my hair so it can, stick together. Now, this is also me zooming in. Some people twist their hair in. It don't work for me. So what I do is I braid my hair in, but I use the actual human hair as the third strand and not another piece of hair. And that's how I keep it from looking like I got a braid in the middle of my twist, by using the human hair as the third strand instead of using the synthetic hair as the third strand. And then, come on. More product, yes, because we don't want this bitch sticking out. And then I braid and twist with all 10 of my fingers. So I just hold the piece of hair out the way until it's down enough for me, as you can see. Don't ask me how, because I don't know. I taught myself how to braid in like 4th or 5th grade, and I started using all my fingers, and that's just the life I live now, okay? Okay, don't judge me. I do like to add 2 pieces of the human hair per twist. Everybody does not have 2 pieces because I didn't have the patience for everybody. But I did add 2 pieces to these. Most of them do have 2 pieces, but not everybody, okay? So I really only do this in the front of my head. I will take the clip and clip half of the twist up so that it can become shorter so that I can actually get to the end of it, because you see how long that shit is. And once I get towards the end, this is another reason why my twist lasts for so long. I braid my ends all the way down to the end. And we are finally fucking done. Don't ask me how long this took, because I was trying to braid and twist while I was working and cooking a mouse and trying to twist some hair. Okay, we're gonna put some mousse on. I don't usually dip my ends because I just don't care to. I just usually mousse them bitches, and if I'm in the shower, I'll just let that bitch down sometimes. Otherwise, I just don't care to dip my ends or nothing, or blow dry the mousse. If I was doing a client's hair, then clearly I wouldn't be this lazy, but it's because I know I can fix my hair that I'm just lazy as fuck with it. I don't care. And of course, I always oil that scalp. Me personally, I will moisturize my scalp every day. I will spray it with water, and then I will put oil on top. Remember, moisturizing and oiling your scalp are two different things. You need moisture, which is water. Okay? That edge control, best hands down. I get it at my hair store. The whole line I absolutely fucking love. It's buy one, get two free. So I got lace tint and edge control all the fucking time. Favorite fucking edge control, hands down. And this is it. This is the finished product. I got hella parts in my head, so it is hella thick. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.